All right, here is the Razer Chroma Addressable RGB controller. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. On that note, this is just gonna be an unboxing. I did buy all these Razer components. I am gonna build a Razer desktop computer, but for this particular video, I didn't see a lot of stuff in this product. So I'm just gonna put out an unboxing video first, and then later on in my main channel, we'll have the full overview of the product, maybe like a slight review. I wasn't really sure I needed this because as I said, I did buy all Razer stuff, including a Razer motherboard, the Z690 Tai-Chi. So I don't know that I even needed this, but it wasn't that expensive. I'd rather have it here. When I'm building, I don't want to have to stop and wait to get one of these if I needed it. So, all right. Oh wow, that's the first time I've seen these. I was just making a comment that I have so many Razer stickers. As I said, I've bought all these Razer components. I have a bunch of Razer peripherals. So I have so many of these Razer stickers, more than one human pretty much should have. It's probably against the law to have this many. I don't know. Don't tell the cops, but
that's fucking illegal. That's the sound of the police.
I've never seen this. That's pretty nice. I guess you're supposed to stick that on your computer. I'm not going to because my case is the Razer Tomahawk case and it's looking cool. So I'm not going to stick this on there, but they do look cool. Maybe I'll find somewhere to put them. All right, we do have a booklet. This is a completely meaningless note, but an interesting note nonetheless. This is the first time I think I've seen a Razer booklet that's white like this. Almost every one is printed up like this. This is probably more cost effective and it probably makes more sense for them to do that, but normally they have this fancy, higher card slot. But, again, it does not matter one bit, but it's interesting. All right, and here we have a very thick cable. So there are some 3M sticky tapes here, and then this is not a magnet. The PWM has like a magnet on the back. This is more like a rubber, so it doesn't slide kind of deal. And it does have like screw holes here, so you can mount it to your case, I assume. Yeah, on the directions, it's telling you to put these sticky tapes here, but I'm probably not gonna do that. I'm probably just gonna screw it in. I did get the Razer Tomahawk case, and I believe there is a spot for this in there. I could be wrong, but we'll see. All right, and so then we have a Molex to DC cable, which would be this guy here. Goes to your PSU. And then a micro USB to USB pin header, which is this guy here. So this probably goes to the motherboard itself. So again, up top, you plug in this guy here, and then in this, you plug the USB in there, and then here is where you put your aRGB. So, and again, I didn't know that I would need this because, every component I have is Razer, so I didn't know if I would need it, but I also didn't know if I would have enough ports on my motherboard for it. And again, it wasn't that expensive, so I figured, why not pick it up just in case? And here's how it would work. So this is the Razer Kunai fan. It has the Razer RGB here, Chroma, of course. And then we have this female connector, and this is a male connector here. And you just plug that in there, and so you can fit up to 6 onto one individual one there. That's it for the unboxing. We're gonna, like I said, I'm gonna do a deeper dive, and we'll take a look at this in Synapse and all that when the build's finished. We'll be on my main channel, but that'll be a while before I get everything built and all the videos ready to go and edited. So I didn't see a lot of information. I wanted to get some out there. Another thing to note, again, means nothing, but I don't think you ever see this Razer Chroma RGB logo on anything. And here it says hashtag Chroma everything on the bottom. I mean, there's the word Razer, but not the Snake Razer logo, right? So like, I'm pretty sure every other Razer product I have just has this Razer logo on it. I've never seen this logo on anything. I've seen that logo stylized like this, like on websites and stuff to say things are compatible with Razer Chroma RGB, but I've never seen this actual logo on a product before. Again, means nothing, but it's interesting nonetheless. Oh, also one other thing, these are super cool. And they're physically, it's not glass, but it's like a piece of plastic. Maybe it looks like glass, but yeah, I mean, very cool. Also seems like they would make this light up, right? For a product called Razer Chroma RGB, you would think that it lights up here, but it doesn't. There's no RGB on this thing, which is kind of funny. All right, that's it. Thanks.